Hey book creators, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy one page to multiple books. All right, I'm in my book and I'm going to go to page view so I can view all of my pages. And let's say that I've added this page to a book that I've already assigned to all my students and I want them to get this new page. I can easily add it to all of my students' books through the three dots. So I'm going to click on the three dots and I'm going to select copy to. Then I'm going to go into the class with my students and I'm going to select this top buttons because I want everyone in my class to get that copy. If I didn't want everyone to get it, I could select specific students, but in this case I do. So I'm going to select all of my students and I'm going to say copy page. They will now receive a copy of this page as the last page of their book. So they might need to move it to a specific place if you want them to, but they now all have a copy of their very own.